Along the East Alligator River in the Kakadu National Park, a rare and extraordinary sight.
I saw a big blow, a big spout on the horizon. And I thought to myself, wow, that's a big dolphin. That doesn't look right.
Turns out it was 3 humpback whales frolicking in the water.
My eyes were telling me it was a humpback whale, but my mind was saying there's no way, they don't live here.
Jason and his biologist mates had been sailing around the Kakadu region on a yacht when they came across the wandering whales, well out of their depth. But curiosity quickly turned to concern.
We're way upstream in a muddy tropical river full of crocodiles and raging currents. Maybe they crossed on a high tide and got stuck in there and they're too scared to leave.
The whales have now been there for more than 10 days and the big question is, can they survive? With Jason and his team now contemplating a rescue mission.
Basically go out there with a few boats and start from upstream and make a lot of noise, basically, and try and herd them down the river.
A difficult mission, but they're dedicated to the task, hoping to watch these whales swim free. Samantha Brett, 7 News.